Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can download and install Python on your PC and how we can use it. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. Step 1. Search on your browser python.org. This is the Python site. You can download it directly. python.org. On download option, you should use your device, for example Windows, Mac OS, Linux and the other. For example, for Windows, you can see all of the version of Python here. We have two main version of Python 3 or Python 2. In this video we use Python 3. Okay, choose a specific version and download it. After download the Python, you can install easily. For a test to see it has been downloaded or not, on your keyboard tap Windows R. In Run window, search CMD. Click on OK. Write Python and enter. As you can see, Python download and install has been successfully, and now you can use it. You can coding here on CMD. Or you can coding on the Note. But there is a main way and simple way to coding on your PC. We use Virtual Studio Code. You can download it from their site. This app. Open it. For saving your project, create a new folder like this. Tap on File, choose the new folder you created. To be able coding on Python, you should change the name of project. Click on rename, write your name, for example guideguy.py. py used for Python. You want to use Python for coding, you must use py at the end of your project. Also for starting Python project. After that, you can coding. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.